Hi. As the lockdown continues in India, we are still facing people getting depressed and so unenthused, not able to take any decision, not able to make any new breakthrough in their lives, or they are not even thinking of taking any new initiative. So, yesterday again, I came through two issues. One is of this existential problems because of which people are not able to think beyond their circumstances. So whatever circumstances they are in, they are struggling that out, bogged down by whatever people are seeing around their immediate seniors, the board members, and peers, of course, because those are the people who are making decisions for them. People tend to get influenced by their peers, whoever they are seeing. If everybody is kind of concerned, then people will not take any other viewpoint. They will certainly conform to what everybody is saying. So that is the biggest problem that is happening, and as a person who is looking at the situation from the outside, they will actually realize that so much of time and effort, initiative, and resource is getting wasted just in the form of a fear, which is kind of actually 80% real, but 20% it can be turned around, but people are not thinking beyond their fears. So that is the biggest challenge happening in the existential sphere right now. People will be losing their jobs. They are losing around. Uh, so they are doing whatever they are being told. As I say, um, it is always wise to diversify your income source. And when in better times, people were too much into their comfort zones and they were not going out of that. And now the situation has come that they need to take a decision, and they are not able to take a decision because of those fear elements. So this is really pathetic, but like say we need to keep on motivating such people around with whatever resources or whatever way out we have. But this is the time when people should realize that mm, whatever they have been thinking about their income sources, their time, the way they spend their time, all this should take a new lookout. Yeah. So I'm on my job, and I request all of you to kind of keep motivating people around and keep giving them uh, ideas so that better sense prevails. Well, thank you.